Imagine that when you switch from one plane, then two planes, and then 3D space view, you have a clear understanding of the anatomy, not only the anatomy, but all the relationship with the environment. So honestly, 3D was just, being blind and coming to light. And then came all the process of the 3D picture that we have today. This reconstruction, the MPR, the slicing, the overlapping, with the CT, with the MR. You can even do it during the procedure.
3D is absolutely fundamental for me, meaning that if I arrive in an angio suite in which you don't have the 3D, I'm paralyzed. And I always say to the young doctors, if you don't see, you don't understand. And if you don't understand, you cannot treat. And 3D is the key tool.
I will trust and base my treatment on all the 3D measurements because we live in a 3D world, it's 3D anatomy. So I need this perspective and this understanding that is brought by 3D. Then I can adapt myself. I can work in 2D, but I will work in 2D based on the 3D knowledge.
No, I cannot imagine working without 3D. Today it's mandatory to have 3D array to benefit from the maximum information.
I would consider this as an essential step. I think it's extremely hard for us now to consider treatment without understanding the 3D images.
You always have the fear of a trap that you have not seen, a side branch, a protrusion of the neck which you don't control, a protrusion of the device that you have not understood.
It can be very helpful during the navigation. For example, in an AVM, why you cannot catheterize a small branch, it's always the same rule. Come back to the 3D, change the position, understand better, to do better.
So now that the 3D is fully doable and also manageable inside the angio suite with this pad, I think it's also a big push for people to use 3D in a very concrete fashion into the angio suite. When a physician is understanding better, you are always safer for the patient.